ambiguous, mag-cry, sometimes violent, you know. So, being mortals, we accept our limitations. Right? So, pero, nilagyan siya ng maputi, the white pure stone. So, may search tayo na to achieve purity na kagaya ng bato, tubig, hangin, yung Panginoon na gagalaw sa atin. Kahit na so, pag sabi ng Panginoon, nagiging bato ka dyan ka lang for hundreds of thousands of years, hindi ka gagalaw na I only move when God tells me to. So, yun yung wisdom. And this is protected by law. Because this is one of the last remaining living remnants of our pre-colonial past. So, na-translate din siya kung sino yung keepers, yung mga indigenous people. So, that being said, so ito na yung so, hindi tayo kagaya ng people of Luzon that revolted against